Hey everybody, today we're in a Lexus RX350. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip center mount number 855899. Now before we get started, there are a couple things we want to mention. First off, this mount does use some double-sided tape. You'll see the blue covering right under here. Now you're going to want to peel that cover off the tape before you install the mount. And that tape is designed so that if you ever have to remove the mount, it's not going to leave any marks or residue behind. Second, always attach the mount to the vehicle before you screw anything to the faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. This mount is going to attach to two different spots. The first is going to be this seam down here, and it's right between the bottom shelf of this cubby and the lid for this cubby down in here. So we're going to want to keep the lid closed, and we're going to take the included gap opener, and we're just going to gently insert that here. And if you need to, basically you can just pry up gently so that we can fit this angled lip into that newly opened seam. Once you have the lip under there, you can take the gap opener out. And now you do want to slide it pretty much as far to the right as you can get. Then you're going to take your fingers, index fingers behind the mount here, and we're gently going to pull forward as we lift up, and the mount's going to click right here on the bottom edge of the vent. There we go. So now we have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.